Today we'll talk about how can you change name on your Clubhouse app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, you click on it here. When you just click on your photo profile, it's going to show for you like this here. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on your name, then come to this list, click here on full name here. So then here can you change your last name, your first name and last name here. Then you click on update, then it's going to change with you here when you change your name on your Clubhouse app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.